Let's come over and have a look at the European markets next. So the German DAX, we got that strong reversal yesterday, which was effectively a stick save of the immediately bullish count. And then we've pulled back sharply again this morning. It's a case of, can we hold yesterday's low at 11,803? And if it's going to take that out, can we hold 11,729? And if we can't, then it would mean that the larger degree wave 4 here on this daily chart is not yet in the German DAX, and what we're going to see is a drop down into this region. It's not a lot further, it's 100 to 200 points. I would have thought we'd have got a B, C into that. This is the critical level here that we need to clear at 12,450 or so to the upside in the German DAX as just an initial confirmation that we've got the low in place in either count. We are getting divergences, we are getting technicals turning up, but at the moment all world indices are being resolutely bearish, with the exception of IBOV, by the way, which is taking out the resistance levels above it. UK FTSE, again, I've got a very complete count to the downside, including the C of this final 5 right into the 276. A nice push up yesterday. It's pulling back, not as sharply as the DAX as yet, but it's, you know, heading south again at the moment. The question is either it holds 7182 here, but then we need to take this out. Otherwise, this can be an A wave of the final 5th. We get a high B, and then we come down here to that 7099 level to complete all of the 2 in the FTSE before higher. Just to flip out to the daily chart on the FTSE, you can see, unlike the DAX, it's nowhere near its April low. So at the moment, this 1, 2 of a diagonal is intact. It would look better if it would drop down and hit this 7098, either as I say a high B, then the C, or a final extension of the C wave down and then a reversal in the UK FTSE.